Hello students, I hope you all are well and safe at your home. So let's start this session. This session for class 3rd, subject SST, chapter 3, means of transport, revision lecture number 2 from first term. Do you know the meaning of transport? Transport means to take or carry persons or goods from one place to another. ट्रांसपोर्ट का अर्थ है व्यक्ति या वस्तुओं को एक स्थान से दूसरे स्थान पर ले जाना. There are many types of vehicles which carry persons and goods. कई प्रकार के वाहन हैं जो व्यक्ति और माल को ले जाते हैं. The same means of transport cannot be used everywhere. Means of transport हर जगह इस्तेमाल नहीं किए जा सकते. यह समय दूरी के पैसे पर निर्भर करता है. It depends upon the distance and money we want to spend. Now, let us know about the model of transport. There are 3 models of transport: land transport, water transport, air transport. Land transport includes रोड एंड लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट में सड़क और रेलवे शामिल हैं. पीपल ऑल्सो यूज बुल्क कार्ट और टांगा. दीज आर स्लो मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट nowadays faster means of land transport is being used as such as scooter, motorcycles and trains. Trucks, cars, scooter and bikes are included in private transport, and buses and train are called public transport. Do you know what is a port? Yes, my dear students, the place where goods saman loaded and unloaded is called a port. वह स्थान जहाँ माल लोड और अनलोड किया जाता है वो पोर्ट कहलाता है. Now we will talk about air transport. The picture given here show an airport from where the aeroplanes take off. They can take us to far off places within hours. The pilot flies an aeroplane. The runway is used for the take-off of an aeroplane as well as its landing. हम एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट से कई दिनों का सफ़र घंटों से तय कर सकते हैं. Yes, my dear students, air travel is costly. एरोप्लेन्स को चलाने वाले को पायलट कहते हैं. And one more thing, the fastest means of travel is by air. Next topic is water transport. Ships, steamers and boats are the main means of water transport. Water transport is the oldest and is the cheapest means of transport. Now let us do quick scroll. 1. Transport means to carry person and goods. Transport का मतलब है कैरी करते persons को and goods को. Second, there are 3 modes of transport. यहाँ पे 3 ट्रांसपोर्ट के बारे में बात की जा रही है. लैंड ट्रांसपोर्ट, वाटर ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड एयर ट्रांसपोर्ट. Next, Helicopter can land on level grounds or on a helipad and are useful in emergencies. क्या चीज़ यूज होती है emergencies में? Helicopters. It is becoming a popular means of transport nowadays. Nowadays में बहुत popular means of transport है. Now open your page number 18 in your book. Yes, practice zone A, multiple choice questions. 1. Which one of the following is the fastest mode of transport? जो fastest mode transport है वो कौन सा है? A bus, B a train, C a car, D an aeroplane. So right answer is aeroplane. Next B, the cheapest means of transport is, जो cheapest सबसे सस्ता means of transport कौन सा है? A land transport, B water transport, C air transport, D none of these. इन तीनों में से नहीं है. So the right answer is water transport. Water transport is the cheapest and oldest means of transport. Number 3, who flies an aeroplane? Aeroplane को कौन उड़ाता है? A driver, B guard, C conductor, D pilot. Yes, right answer is pilot. Number 4, a train stops at a, ट्रेन कहाँ रुकती है? A bus stand, B station, C airport, D port. Bus stand bus, airport aeroplane, station. Yes, a train stops at a station. So right answer is B. Number 5, which of one of the following is a public transport? इनमें से public transport कौन सा है? A bicycle, B scooter, C car, D bus. So right answer is bus. Bus is the public transport. B, fill in the blanks. 1, transport means to carry person and goods. Roads and dash are included in land transport. Roads and railways. Are included in land transport. Number 3, dash and dash have local train service also. So write down here Mumbai, Kolkata and Delhi. Have local train service is also. Number 4, an aeroplane runs on the runways. Number C, write true T or false F against each statement. Number 1, heavy goods are transported by ships. जो heavy goods होते हैं, heavy सामान होता है, वो transported होता है by ship से. Yes, it's right. It's true. Goods are loaded and unloaded at ports. Goods are loaded and unloaded at ports. Yes, it's also true. 3. The helicopter is an example of land transport. Land transport जो ज़मीन पे चलते हैं. Helicopter in air. So it is false. People have stopped using animals or for transport. People जो हैं लोग वो अब इस्तेमाल नहीं करते हैं एनिमल्स को ट्रांसपोर्ट में. यस. एरोप्लेन्स लैंड ऑन अ हेलीपैड. एरोप्लेन्स जो हैं वो लैंड करते हैं हेलीपैड पे. नो बेटा, इट्स फॉल्स. एरोप्लेन्स कहाँ बताए थे? एयरपोर्ट पे. सो इट्स फॉल्स. राइट डाउन योर होमवर्क. Page number 18. Fill in the blanks and true false. You have to learn all these book exercise. Kindly fill the book exercise if you have not filled. Now subscribe this channel if you like my video that this lecture. Goodbye. Thank you.